Hello everyone, welcome to Apna channel. So from SPMCIL, which is Miniratna CPSC, we have recruitment for the position of supervisor, where we have total 5 vacancies. Vacancies कम है, but vacancies आया है, तो ये बड़ी बात है. So if you complete your BE BTech in diploma or BSc in mechanical, electrical, electronics and last is computer science and IT, then you are eligible for this recruitment. Salary आपका होने वाला है 6.50 lakh CTC approximately. Now we will see detail information quickly. So let's start here. So first important point is 60% criteria you should have in your BE BTech BSc diploma, then only you are eligible, and this criteria is for all categories. Okay, SSC PWD also. Then posting you will get anywhere in India depending on location. Then exam centers we have limited in all over India. That is, you can see Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore and New Delhi NCR we have. Process it is direct recruitment, so just they will conduct the CBT and उसके बाद आपका selection होने वाला है. Then the main thing is probation and training. So 1 year training and probation is there, and then after that bond is there of 3 years. ठीक है, so you need to serve SPMCL for 3 years, and if you want to leave within 3 years, अगर before 3 years आपको छोड़ना है कंपनी, तो आपको पे करना पड़ेगा 2 लाख रुपए, जो कि है बॉन्ड अमाउंट. ठीक है, सो बॉन्ड अमाउंट इज 2 लाख रुपीज. एज लिमिट कट ऑफ डेट इज 15th of April 2024. So age is 30 year for general AWS, OBC 33, SC ST PWD 40 for general, then 43 for OBC and 45 for SC ST. Then important dates, so form already started on 15th of March. You can fill the form in the comment section. I will give you the apply link. So based on that, you can apply to that. Then form last date is 15th of April. And about CBT, so tentatively it is scheduled in the month of May or June. Okay. Fees will be 600 rupees for general OBC and AWS, and for SC ST PWD 200 rupees the form fee. So now let's break the vacancies. So here in front of you, you can see out of this many posts, our post is supervisor technical control. Okay, S1 level. So total we have here 5 vacancies open to EWS 1. Then SC 2 category for you need to apply in open category, ST 1 category and OBC 1 we have. So total 5 vacancies like we have. Okay, for PWD there is no vacancy for this post. Okay, eligibility already I told you that first class you want in BE BTech, BE electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer science, IT. Here you can see exam pattern for your post. So here you can see that part A, which is non-technical, having general awareness, English, aptitude, reasoning. Okay, total 60 minutes you will get to attempt 60 questions, and for technical you have 60 minutes to attempt total 60 questions. Okay, and marks which you can see here 90 marks are there for technical part. The best part, there is no negative marking. Let's discuss the syllabus. So in syllabus, what you have first, we will discuss about non-technical part. So there you have general awareness, in which current affair, polity and history you need to study. Then in English you have this much topics, okay? Aptitude this much topics, and reasoning this much topics. Now for technical part, this is the biggest problem, that syllabus is combined फ्रॉम ऑल द ब्रांचेस. तो जितने भी ब्रांचेस उधर लिखे हैं एलिजिबिलिटी में, वो सबका सिलेबस आपको पढ़ना है. तो फिर मतलब प्रॉपरली सोचो, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग विद अदर रिक्रूटमेंट्स, देन जस्ट स्किप दिस रिक्रूटमेंट. इट इज बेटर टू स्किप दिस. ठीक है, सो हियर यू टू स्टडी फर्स्ट फ्रॉम प्रिंटिंग, वेयर यू विल गेट टोटल 10 क्वेश्चंस. लेवल विल बी वेरी इजी, बट अगेन सब पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो इफ यू आर सिंगल हैंडेडली इसको टारगेट कर रहे हो, देन यू कैन फिल दिस फॉर्म. देन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भी आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, जिसमें से आपको 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे. टोटल 60 क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं. ठीक है, देन इलेक्ट्रिकल 10, मैकेनिकल 10 एंड CSIT 10. तो इस तरीके से टोटल आपको स्ट्रीम जो है पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अदर भी है इसमें जो 10 आएंगे, लाइक ISO स्टैंडर्ड, क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट. ओके, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो ये थोड़ा मतलब प्रॉब्लमेटिक मुझे लगता है हो सकता है. Okay, so this is all about your SPMCL recruitment. If you have any query, any doubt regarding form filling, regarding this recruitment, you can comment down below. Definitely I will help you in that. And all the best for this exam. Stay connected with the channel. Don't forget to join our Telegram or WhatsApp channel, so that you will get all the updates quickly. All the best.